Where you going? Oh, tissue? Just sit down, then I'll go get some. You got bacon and sandwich and ketchup.
And this.
Strawberry juice.
No.
What is that then?
Have this.
Strawberry juice? You like that? You want me to bite it? You want me to give a bite? Yeah. Oh, it's falling.
Dude?
It's the hat.
What?
Good. You like it? Who made it, Daddy?
I saw Auntie Joseph. I just tell you one night.
What's that? Yummy food.
You go white.
Ano yung iniinom niya daw?
You know,
Ah,
cream soda.
walang ano yan?
I wanna stand up.
Oh, there are rocks there.
What?
There's a rocks there.
Ang galing mo si Igo.
No, let's pepper me. Auntie George. Auntie George, kidding me.
Did you say please, anak? Did you say please? What you got, Julien? Did you put vegetable in it? Oh, wow. Did-
What is that chicken? What is that?
Jade only wants.
You want to eat? Go eat now.
Julien, you gonna do your hair like that tomorrow? You eat them all, Jelana?
No.
Oh, wow. Where you going? Oh, you're skipping rocks? Be careful. Oh. Oh, the sun is up. Nice. No. Oh, wow.
Come on now.
Whoa. Yay. Jelana, give me that thingy, that stick. Can you give me that so I can stand up? Baliktad.
Oh, hungry much.
I know, but I need. Go. Okay, go get some with Daddy and tell what you want.